Hello and happy Halloween. Today I'm giving you a full walkthrough of my witch-themed Halloween decor for this year. If you'd like to see how each piece came together, be sure to check out my Halloween home decorating playlist, where I share step-by-step tutorials on this look and many others, including traditional Halloween, vampires, the Headless Horseman, and more. Now, let's get started. Let's start with my witchy fireplace with my Bethany Low cat. I have since added some paper bats above the wreath. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Now let's look at my witchy tablescape and wall decor. Let's look at my witchy TV console and floor design. Let me know what your favorite part is. If you enjoyed this witchy Halloween home tour, be sure to watch my other Halloween decorating tutorials in the Halloween home decorating playlist. I also share fun shopping videos for Halloween and all the major holidays, so don't forget to check those out too. I'd love to hear from you. Comment below and let me know what your Halloween theme is this year. Until next time, have a very happy Halloween.